Okay, today actually is for the pre-hearing session. We actually was meant to adopt our answers to the pre-hearing information sheet, which was filed and was actually adopted. And then it happened that the second petitioner filed a motion, alleging that the petition was incompetent and all that. But having done that, he had earlier in his response, in line with the paragraph 12(5) of the rules of the tribunal, that any objection should be filed, to be raised in their response to the petition, which they have done. So ordinarily, the procedure is that they will file their written submission at the end of the hearing. So we're surprised that they filed a motion. Now we are going to respond accordingly.
We have an idea of what are your prayers?
Okay, our ground was that the second respondent at the time of the election was not qualified. And then the second ground was that he gave a false information in aid of his educational qualification. So in other words, when such prayers are made, what will be done, what the tribunal will do is to nullify the election and order for a fresh election. So that is basically what we are seeking before the tribunal. Of course, because if the second respondent is disqualified, the proper thing to do is to order for a fresh election, not the petitioner to be sworn in as the rightful.
Now, the judge talked about consolidating petitions.
Okay.
So what was your response?
Okay, before now, on our part, we're not aware that there were other governorship petition, which is number 2. So that was just brought to our knowledge. But in other words, given that we are not also aware of the grounds of their petition, and we just grounds in our petition, so it is not proper that the both petition be consolidated, because basically our own is based on documentary evidence, because we are saying that a forged certificate was presented to INEC, and then that the second respondent gave false information in aid of his educational qualification. So basically that's our ground. So until we avail of the processes that were filed in respect of the second petition, then it would have been proper for us to say, okay, whether or not the petition should be consolidated. But for now, we have said that there's no need for the petition to be consolidated. So that's our response.